Welcome, boys and girls, to an episode of PA and Phonics Fun. I'm your host, Miss Mandy, and this is your teacher, Miss Valerie. In preparation for our lesson today, you will need a few things: a pencil, a piece of paper, and some small objects like pennies, cereal, or buttons. Have fun!
Thank you, Miss Mandy. Today we're going to warm up by sorting picture cards into two columns: the short O sound and the short A sound. The short O sound looks like this: ah, ah. And the short A sound looks and sounds like this: ah, ah. So we'll be sorting them into two columns: short O and short A. First, let's go through the picture cards one at a time and make sure that we know what they are. Apple, moth, crab, hat, backpack, lock, pot, mop, frog, and map. Now we're going to say them and decide if they have the short O, ah sound, or the short A, ah sound. Say apple. Does apple have the short O sound or the short A sound? That's right, apple has the ah sound, the short A sound. Say moth. Does moth have the short O sound, ah, or the short A sound, ah? If you said the short O sound, great job. Say crab. Does crab have the short O, ah sound, or the short A, ah sound? Good job. Crab has the ah sound in it. Say hat. Hat, does it have the short O, ah sound, or the short A, ah sound? Great job. Hat has the short A sound. Say backpack. Which vowel sound do you hear twice in the word backpack? If you said the short A sound, excellent. Backpack has the short A sound in it twice. Say lock. Which vowel sound did you hear in the word lock? Did you hear the ah, the short O sound? Great job. Say pot. Which vowel sound do you hear in pot? The short O, ah, or the short A, ah? I hear the short O in the word pot. Say mop. Which sound did you hear in the word mop? M-A-P. I heard the short O in the word mop? Say frog. Which sound did you hear in the word frog? The short O or the short A? Great job. I'm going to squeeze him up here. I heard the short O in the word frog. Let's do one more. Say map. Which vowel sound did you hear in the word map? A, p. Did you hear a, the short A sound? Very good. Next, let's review our target skill for the week. Let me clean these up for just a second. If you've been with us this week, you will recall that our target skill is Digraph CH. Digraph CH is two letters that come together to make one sound, the ch sound. We looked at this chart a few days ago. The ch sound is the same beginning sound that the word chicken has. When C and H come together, we have the sound ch. For our next activity, we're going to sort words that have the digraph CH at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word. We're going to use two columns again, beginning and end. Some words will have the ch sound at the beginning, and some words will have the ch sound at the end. I'll read through the words first. Chad, Chad. Crunch, crunch. Chum, chum. Brunch, brunch. Chet, chet. Bench, bench. Lunch, lunch. Chomp, chomp. Chin, chin. And our last word, chug, chug. Let's go through these words again, and we will decide if we see the digraph CH at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. Say Chad. Do you see digraph CH at the beginning or the end of the word? Very good. If you said at the beginning of the word, you're right. And notice, the C in the word Chad is capitalized because it's someone's name. Say crunch. Where in this word do you see digraph CH? Do you see it at the beginning or the end of the word? It's right here at the end of the word. So we'll put it in the column labeled end. Say chum. Does chum have digraph CH at the beginning or the end of the word? Excellent job, boys and girls. Give yourself a pat on the back because I know you said that digraph CH is at the beginning of the word. Say brunch. Is the word brunch The word brunch has digraph CH, and is the digraph CH at the beginning or at the end of the word? Great job, boys and girls. I know you said it at the end of the word, right here. Say chit. Where in the word chit do you see digraph CH? I see it right here at the beginning of the word. So we're going to put it over here in our column labeled beginning. Say bench. Where do you see digraph CH in this word? That's right. It comes at the end of the word. Say lunch. Where do you see digraph CH? Excellent job. It also comes at the end of the word. Say chomp. Where do you see digraph CH in this word? I see digraph CH at the beginning of the word, chomp. So we're going to put it in this column. Say chin. Where does the digraph CH come in the word chin? I see it there at the beginning of the word. Excellent job. And let's do one more. Say chug. Where do I see digraph CH? Very good, right here at the beginning of the word. So it belongs in the column marked beginning. Let's read these words that have digraph CH at the beginning of the word. Say it after me. Chad, chum, chit, chomp, chin, chug. Now let's read our words that have digraph CH at the end of the word. Say the word after me. Crunch, brunch, bench, lunch. For a quick bonus, can anybody tell me a word that might have digraph CH at the beginning and the end of the word? I'll give you a second to think about it. What about the word church? Digraph CH comes at the beginning of the word church and at the end of the word church. All right, now we will build words that have digraph CH. Remember that digraph CH is one sound or grapheme. So both letters come together into the same square. I'm thinking of a word that has digraph CH. How about the word brunch? Brunch has the ending sound ch. I'm going to count the sounds in the word brunch. B, r, n, ch. How many sounds did I hear? I heard 5. So I'm going to move a magnet into 5 squares. B, r, n, ch. Let's switch that out with the blue so that they match. What sound did I hear at the beginning of the word? B. Very good. And what letter or letters makes the B sound? The letter B makes the B sound. Great job. Brunch. What sound did I hear next? The R sound. And what letter or letters makes the R sound? letter R makes the R sound. Do you recognize this as a blend that you've heard and learned? Brr. But remember, in a blend, each letter still makes its sound, so they each get its own square. Remember, the word is brunch. What sound was here? The sound. Great job. And what letter or letters makes the sound? Letter U makes the sound. Excellent job, boys and girls. What sound did I hear next? What letter or letters represent the sound The letter N. Great job. And at the end of the word, I heard my focus skill. Ch. What letter or letters represent the sound ch? That's right. Digraph CH. Notice the difference here. B and R are separated into their own square because they each make their own sound. But when C and H come together to make digraph CH, to make its ch sound, they share a square because it's only one sound. Let's blend and say this word. B-r-n-ch. Brunch. Now let's read a clean copy. Brunch. Our next word is bench. Say the word bench and let's count the sounds we hear. B, e, n, ch. How many sounds did we hear in bench? 4. So let's move a magnet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double check that. B, e, n, ch. Very good. What sound did I hear at the beginning of the word? B. And what letter or letters makes the B sound? Great job. The letter B makes the B sound. What sound did I hear next in the word bench? Great job. And what letter or letters makes the sound? That's right, the letter E. What sound did you hear next? Bench. What sound came here? That's right, the N sound. And what letter or letters represent the sound N? Excellent. And what sound did I hear in the final position? Bench. What sound was that? Say it one more time. Ch. Very good. And what letter or letters represent the sound ch? If you said digraph CH, give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, that's our target skill. Let's blend and read this word. B-e-n-ch. Bench. And let's read a clean copy. Bench. Let's do one more. Say chum. Let's finger tap chum. Ch, chum. How many sounds did you hear in the word chum? Ch, Did you hear 3? Great job. What sound did I hear at the beginning of the word chum? That's right, the ch sound. And what letter or letters is represented by the ch sound? Digraph CH. There he is again. What sound did I hear next in the word chum? I heard Did you hear the sound What letter or letters represent the sound The letter U makes the short U sound in this word. And in the word chum, what sound is in the final position? Ch, The sound. And what letter or letters makes the sound? The M. Great job. Let's blend and say this word. Ch, chum. And let's read a clean copy. Chum. For our next activity, you will need a sheet of paper and a pencil. I'll give you just a minute to gather your materials. Now that we've practiced building words with Digraph CH, let's write and spell a couple of sentences that have words with Digraph CH. Remember that a sentence has a subject and a predicate. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark and expresses a complete thought. I'll say a sentence and I want you to repeat the sentence. Then we'll pound each word in the sentence. Then I want you to write it. Our first sentence is, I like to crunch chips. Say that sentence with me. I like to crunch chips. Now let's pound it. I like to crunch chips. All right, on your own piece of paper, I want you to write the sentence. I like to crunch chips. Now let's check your sentence with mine. I like to crunch chips. I have a capital I at the beginning of the word, and I have a period for my punctuation mark. Check the spelling of your sentence and your capital letter and punctuation mark to see if it matches mine. If it doesn't, correct yours now. Let's do one more. The next sentence is, Chad will sit on the bench. Say that sentence after me. Chad will sit on the bench. Now let's pound the words we hear in Chad will sit on the bench. Chad will sit on the bench. Now write the words in the sentence. Chad will sit on the bench. And remember your capital letter and punctuation mark. Now let's check your sentences. Chad will sit on the bench. Does yours match mine? If it does, give yourself a pat on the back. And if it doesn't, take a moment to correct yours. And double check that it has a capital letter and a punctuation mark. Now let's turn to our story for today. I've already underlined all the words with our target skill, And we have taken some time this week to read those words. Let's just read the story together, starting with the title. Brunch on a bench. Chet and Chad will have brunch by a bench. They will chug milk and crunch chips. They walk by a man with a red hat and begin to chat. Chet sees the man first. Chad sees the man too. Chet and Chad chat about the man and his red hat. Chet and Chad walk back to their bench before they chug their milk. They chomp chips and chug milk as they chat on the bench. They like brunch on a bench. Thank you, boys and girls, for being great participants today. While we listened to and read words with Digraph CH, built words with Digraph CH, and read a story with our focus skill.
Thank you, Miss Valerie, and thank you, boys and girls, for your participation in the lesson today. All rights and credits for today's lesson belong to the West Virginia Department of Education. We would like to thank them for publicly sharing these valuable resource materials. Bye!